Well, we're just at Leasowe Bonfire 2025. Check it out. Look at the size of that. Well, I'll record it when it lit. Alright, just admire the firework. And we're getting ready to light it. They've been spraying it with all sorts of substances to get this bommy in flames. Get in. Here we go. Let's get it burning. Here we go. And then we're going to grab the fireworks next. Woo! Yeah. The Leasowe community. And there's hundreds turned up.